Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned how to build a simple circuit and how to use a breadboard. But right now, our LED turn on as soon as the circuit is connected. But we want to control it just like a light switch in your house. In this video, you will learn how to add a switch to your circuit and control when the lights turn on and off. Now for this circuit, the components we need include a breadboard, a battery, connecting wires, a resistor, an LED, and a switch. We all know what a switch is. A switch is a device that can open or close a circuit. When the switch is closed, the circuit is complete and current flows. And when the switch is open, the circuit is broken. That is open circuit. And there are different. Now let's build the circuit step by step. Now we'll first connect the positive terminal of this battery to one side of the switch. Now this is the battery, this is the breadboard. So you just pick this positive terminal like this and you connect it. You can see this positive line here. You connect it to any of the rail, but preferably the first one here. You can see. So then I want to connect the positive terminal of this battery to one leg of this switch. Now this is the switch. So what I'll just do is this. I'll just pick the best position to place this switch now should be somewhere around this place. So now I want to connect the positive terminal of this battery to one leg of this switch. So I need to use a jumper wire, or I need to use any of this jumper wire to terminate this connection here. So what I'll just do is I'll just insert this here. You can see. Then I'll insert this here. You can see. Remember in the previous video I explained how to use this bread, or how this breadboard actually works. I said this terminal down, they are like a node. So any connection here, they are the same potential. So and this like this, they are also the same at the same potential. So I can connect this like this and like this. You can see the connection. So the next thing we're going to do is to connect the other side of the switch to the resistor. Now this switch now, it is like this. You can see there are 4 terminals here. You can see. But just watch, you place it like this. This one line, this another line. So I'll place the other terminal to the resistor like this. You can see. Now the next thing is to connect the leg of this resistor to the anode or the positive terminal of this LED. Now I've explained how to identify the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal because the longer leg is the positive terminal or the anode. So you just connect this. But before that, you can see this resistor here. So I'll first connect it like this. I'll put this here. Then this positive should be here. Now you can see. Now the next thing to do is to connect the negative terminal of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. So I'll just put it like this. Then now I want to connect this particular line to the negative terminal of this battery. Now what I'm going to do is first I'll connect this battery terminal here, the negative terminal, to this negative power rail line. You can see, just like this. You can see. Then I'll use a jumper wire like this jumper wire, and I'll insert it here. Then and I'll put it here. You can see. Now you see, if I should press this like this, the circuit will power on. You can see. Now if I should release it, it will power off. You can see. You can see. You can see. Now, you can see that when I press the switch, the circuit closes and the light turn on. And when I release it, the circuit opens and the light turns off. You know, this simple idea is just opening and closing a circuit using a switch. And you know, opening and closing a circuit is the foundation of many electronic systems. You know, switching system, even both analog and digital switching system. This is the foundation of many electronic switch system. Every time you press a button or flip a switch, you are controlling the flow of current. Now, I'll control the flow of current from the positive terminal of this battery to this LED, to this resistor. If I should press this switch now, you can see I've completed the circuit part, because if I should release it, it will off. So that's it. In this video, you learned how to use a switch to control a circuit. In the next video, we will take this further and learn how to control the brightness of an LED using something like a variable resistor like this. So stay tuned. In the next video, I will explain this. Like this video and subscribe to the Electrosphere. Thank you very much.